Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to get rid of system beeps on your Sony Android TV. First, let's go to settings. So press the settings button on your remote control and then navigate to all settings or the gear icon if you see it. Open all settings and then navigate down the sidebar to the system section. Open it, and in system let's find system sound settings, and in sound settings you'll find system sounds. Switch this toggle to the left and this will turn the system sounds off. And now there are no system sounds on your Sony TV. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.